In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of HP OfficeJet Pro 8210 printer. That means we are going to clean the printhead using a manual method. So we will remove the printhead out and we will clean it, and it's very easy to do in this printer. First step is to switch on the printer and open this section. Wait for the ink chamber to move and come to the side. Remove the ink cartridges. So press ink cartridge in and then take it out. So it has a spring, so don't let it throw the ink cartridge out, otherwise that can break something. So just unlock the printhead using this lever, lift it. Now we can simply take it out. So printhead is completely removed, and at the inside you will see there is ink, whereas at the bottom you will see there is a printhead, and we have to clean this printhead. To clean the printhead, take the damp cloth, or you can also take a tissue, and just try to clean the printhead from here. If you see some of the ink showing up, that means printhead is clogged and we need to unclog it. Clean it until you see all the ink lines are showing up here. Once you see these lines, that means printhead is unclogged. We can reinstall it. Simply place it here and then press this lock down. So this will secure it. Now we can install the ink cartridges. Place one by one. You just have to push them in and they will lock itself. And then close the chamber. Next step is to do the automatic printhead cleaning so that the print result starts to improve. For that, click on the setup, click on the tools, select clean printhead. So this automatic cleaning will take around a minute. It will use some of the ink and then it will print a page. Let's see the print result. We can see everything is printing. Although there are some lines, but that will go away itself, so we don't have to do anything for that. Just start or resume the normal printing and these lines will disappear itself. So this way we can do the manual printhead cleaning and then we can start using this printer. Now go to the printer display panel, click on the cancel and then go to the main screen. Now we can start using it. Thanks for watching.